This is SRP Player, the program used to create G-code for our miniature CNC machine. To use this program, simply work through this right-hand menu. It'll step-by-step you through pretty much everything you need to do. To start, go ahead and open up your STL file. You can find it here along the side. I'm just going to be doing this bottle. Once your model's imported, we need to size it. You can either enter in a specific dimension, or you can click the scale button and do a percentage. I'm just going to drop this one down to 30%. Then, once it's sized, we're going to orient it into the correct position for cutting. For mine, I want to have this top side facing up. Once you have it oriented properly, let's go ahead and go into the type of milling. This will optimize the cut to what you need. I want to do a better surface finish. My model has a lot of curved surfaces. This part's very important. If you're just doing a single-sided cut, select cut top only. If you're doing a double-sided cut, make sure that not only do you select cut top and bottom, make sure you add supports. This will hold your piece in place while your model is being cut, so that way you can flip it over. I'm just going to be doing a single-sided cut though.